Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and Spring Boot. Let's look at the development process. So the first step is to install ng Bootstrap package using npm. ng Bootstrap package provides Angular widgets built from the ground up using Bootstrap for CSS. APIs designed specifically for the Angular ecosystem. You can read more about ng Bootstrap in this link. We're going to install the ng Bootstrap package using npm, and here is the command for that. npm install @ng-bootstrap/ng-bootstrap. This is going to install all the ng Bootstrap components. So the second step is to import ngb module and add it to the imports array. So within our app.module.ts file, we are going to import the ngb module and add it to the imports array. So the third step is to update the book service to modify the getResponse interface. So within our book.service.ts file, we are going to modify the getResponse books interface to add the pagination information. So in our Spring Boot backend application, if we navigate to the /books URL, it is not only going to return the list of books, it also return the information about pagination. It is going to return a special object page which will contain the 4 properties: size, total elements, total pages, and number. Size, which is nothing but the number of records that are going to display in each page. Total elements, which is nothing but the total number of records in database. Total pages, which is nothing but the total number of pages. Number, which is nothing but the page number. One thing to note here is that in Spring Boot backend application, the page number starts from 0 index. And we're going to create a same properties inside our getResponse books interface to map the JSON response.